Whether you're restoring your vehicle or simply notice that your bezels are damaged from extensive use on the road, you'll be happy to hear we have an identical reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1984 to 87 Buick Regal, Grand National and T-Type parking light bezels. These are available in chrome for Regal and T-Type, as well as black for Grand National. Each component is manufactured from die-cast metal using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels where applicable. At the end of the production, each bezel is finished in either black or chrome plating with a mirror finish just like the originals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at OPGI.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.